me, Dante. I'm the technician. Now I'd like to show you a little bit on how to use Teams and its functions. I will use one of the students' account to show you how it's done. We have given you all your username and password when you apply for this academic year. So firstly, we will use that username and password to sign into Teams. Well, let me use one of the students as an example. So I will use this student at SDEC. Make sure to type in the usernames correctly, no space, anything. Then click on next or click enter. Now that means the username is typed correctly, so you may enter the password now. Also, make sure to type in your password correctly. Oh, okay. Let's try again. Now, I believe it's correct. Now we are into Teams, huh? That means our usernames and passwords were correct. Now, we are in the Microsoft Teams. As you can see, there are tabs Live, Activities, Chat, Calendar, Teams, Calls, Files, More, etc. So I will brief you a bit about each one. Firstly, Activities is basically the notification. So when someone tag you, mention you, or a teacher do an assignment, or something important is announced, you will see them in Activities. Let's go into it. Here you can see some example. Now let's go into Chat. Chat is like the messenger. So you can send messages, gift, stickers, etc. to other students, teachers, or you can even make a group. We won't limit this feature, but we highly recommend the students not to chat during the class. If you do so, we will have to shut down this function to you, so you won't be able to do this anymore. So please don't use chat, don't chat while teaching. Next, let's go to Teams. This is the most important one as it's your virtual classroom. So as you can see, since this account user is Year 3 Hungary students, you can see Year 3 Hungary subjects. Here, Year 3 Hungary English, Myanmar, Mathematics, Science, Social Study, Computer Science, PSHE, Art, plus the announcement teams, Year 3 Hungary announcements. Cool. Okay, so let me go into the announcement team first so I can show you what it is. So as you can see, I have posted your timetable here. You may save it, download it, screenshot it, or memorize it. It's your choice. You can do as you like. But make sure to remember it so you don't miss any of the class. Now let's close this and see there are other kinds of posts here too, and more will be soon. So don't forget to check out these announcements teams frequently so you don't miss anything. We will be announcing all types of things here, like school holidays, etc., etc. So make sure to check this out frequently. The subject teams are for learning. So if you have to learn English, you go into the English team. Find the right schedule created by teacher. Here one schedule, here one schedule, here one schedule. So there are totals of 3 schedules in this particular English class. So let's say right now it's Friday 12:13 p.m. So you just have to click on this schedule and then click join. Now here, as you can see, this is what we call the preview windows. Make sure to turn on your camera. Right now it's off because I don't want to show my face. And make sure to select this computer audio. Then make sure to mute your mic. And then you can click join now. For now, there is no one because this is just an example. But if you correctly go into the right schedule, you will see teachers and other students. Now let's leave it at that. And then let's close it. Okay, so that's how you go into the classroom and teach, learn. Okay, now let's go back. It's simple. As for the assignments tab, I will make a separate video tutorials in the future, so stay tuned for that. Assignments is here. Oh no, this is the calendar tab is for you to add teachers' schedules. So if you want to be organized and make your learning experience easier, you may use this feature. I will also make a separate video for this and post it soon, so check that out. Calls, fines, and more aren't that important and necessary, so I'm not going to explain these. That's it. I hope you have the best learning experience. Peace and bye.